Unlock the secret to stunning landing pages that convert. Discover how to create eye-catching designs with Canva in just a few simple steps. No design skills needed. Ready to post your business? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back. In this video where I will show you how you can create a landing page with Canva. So let's get started. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and landing pages. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop features, a vast library of templates, and design elements, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers. So first of all, we have here design spotlight and various options to know more information about Canva and how it works. For example, we have visual documents, photos and videos, then we have print, marketing and other things. Then we have here business. We have Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, Canva Contact Sales, sorry, and we have business solutions, use case, and resource. Then we have your education, like teacher and schools, students, teaching resources, almost integrations, case studies, higher education. Then we have plans and pricing. We have free, pro, themes, enterprise. Then we have learn here, Canva blog, design school, events, help center also. So to get started, all you have to do is click over sign up and then you write your email address and your password. Then you will find this page. So to create a landing page on Canva, you have just start by selecting a landing page template for the options available. Customize it using the drag and drop editor to modify text, images, and colors. Add elements like buttons and forms for visitor interaction, and ensure you include a compelling call to action. Once you are happy with the design, download it or publish it directly to your website. With Canva, crafting an attractive landing page is quick and easy. So first of all you have to do is just click over here and you write landing page. Then you'll find here and I will click over Canva template. As you can see, we have here templates. Well, here we have all filters you select. And you select the category that you want. For example, if you want for social media, education, video, marketing, we have print products, cards and invitation, and we have a style, theme, we have language, feature, grade also, subject, topic, the price also if you want the free one or the pro one. I will click over the free one. Then you click over apply. And this is it. And you choose the one you want. For example, I will choose the first one. Then I will click over customize display template. And we have here this page. So I will modify all these things like the design. I will also delete those things and add whatever I want. So here we have firstly design. If you want to design something, you can select templates, layouts. So for templates, we have your website, portfolio, blog post. So you can just search for the website templates that you want. For example, you just search about, for example, landing page. Then we have layouts here. Here we have match style to brand, we have list, hero image, code, home page, and other things. Then we have styles here. We have a create your brand style if you want, recently used, combinations, color palettes, and we have font sets, recent design styles, image palettes also. Then we have your elements, like we have your frame, arrow, button, line, and we have here circle, square, embed, logo, and then we have your shapes, buttons, graphics, and other things. So if you want to add a text, you have just to click over here. You can just click over add a text box and then you write. Then we have your magic write, add your brand. If you want to add heading, add a subheading, or add a add a little bit of body text. And we have here brand. But before, if we scroll down, we'll find here recently used, for example, this one, as you can see. Then we have also here uploads. You can just upload any image or video that you want. And then we have draw here. For example, I will select this one and I will write, for example, here. Canva, for example. So this is it. Then we have here file. As you can see, if you want to create new design, import files, settings, accessibility, save, move to a folder, make a copy, and also download here and return history. Then we have here also resize. For example, if you want to translate, transform into a doc, then we have editing here, commenting, viewing also, and then we have here all change saves. Also, if you want to try pro, then we have here if you want to create another account. Also here we have insights, and we have a current page. Have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. Then we have here preview also, and publish website and share, as you can see. Then we have here if you want to zoom, if you want to add another page, or here we have scroll view. Then we have here grid view. Then we have here if you want to zoom, preview, control. And then we have as Canva here. Then here, if you want a magic right, play fill right display. If you want to increase font size, you choose here text color. If you want to bold, also italic, or here we have alignments, list, spacing, transparency, effects also, and animate, position. And then we have copy style also, and I have here underline, strict draw, and we have uppercase. And this is how it works. So Canva empowers you to create stunning landing page effortlessly, blending creativity with a functionality. By utilizing its intuitive tools and templates, you can design a page that not only looks great but also effectively engages your audience. Whether you are promoting a product or capturing leads, Canva makes it simple to transform your vision into reality. Start designing today and watch your conversation soar. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.